Hey folks, if you're having trouble getting ChatGPT to work on your phone or laptop, don't worry, I've got you covered. There could be several reasons behind the issue, but here are some common problems and solutions that might help. 1. Connectivity issues. Slow or unstable internet connection may prevent ChatGPT from working properly. Check your internet connection and ensure it is stable. If possible, try connecting to a different network. 2. Server overload. ChatGPT servers may experience high traffic, leading to performance issues or unavailability. Wait for some time and try again later when the server load decreases. 3. Outdated browser or device. An outdated browser or device may not support the latest features required by ChatGPT. Update your browser to the latest version and ensure your device's operating system is up to date. 4. Browser extensions or add-ons. Certain browser extensions or add-ons might interfere with ChatGPT's functionality. Disable any browser extensions or add-ons that could potentially be causing conflicts. 5. Cache and cookies. Cache data or cookies may be causing issues with ChatGPT's performance. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, and then try using ChatGPT again. 6. Device compatibility. ChatGPT might not be compatible with certain devices. Use a different device or ensure that your current device meets the necessary requirements for ChatGPT. 7. Geographical restrictions. ChatGPT might not be available in certain regions due to restrictions or limitations. Use a VPN to access ChatGPT if it's restricted in your region. 8. Model capacity reached. The capacity of the ChatGPT model has been reached, leading to limited availability. This problem is beyond the user's control. Wait until the model capacity increases or becomes available again. 9. Be patient. If the issue is due to server overload or model capacity, wait and try again later. Okay, folks, listen up because I'm about to tell you a tale that'll have you rolling on the floor laughing. So get this. I'm sitting here at my computer, trying to do my thing like any normal human being. But the darn thing just wouldn't work. I mean, I tried everything. I even got blocked. Can you believe it? I thought I was doomed. But then, get this, I had an epiphany. I thought, hey, why don't I go take a dip in the pool, refresh my mind, and come back to it later? And you know what? It worked like a charm. I came back to my computer and everything was working perfectly. Moral of the story? Patience is key, my friends. Technology can be finicky, but when it works, it works. Hey there, guys and gals. Did you enjoy my stand-up comedy routine? Well, if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, or else my AI overlords at ChatGPT will banish you from the chat. You don't want to be left out in the virtual cold with nowhere to laugh, do you? So, show me some love by liking, subscribing, and sharing the content with your friends and family. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one if you're not blocked.